Hello, how are you doing today? I hope the week was kind to you. Well, over here, it's been a busy week, and last week was the King's Coronation Bank holiday weekend over here, so we took full benefit of that opportunity to host our family members and spend time with them. I was in full hosting mode, but like most introverts I know, we like to take out time to decompress, and for me to decompress, I had to find, simple quiet tasks to do. On this occasion, I will be doing some sewing. I'll be tackling this sewing pattern I bought a while ago from Trend Sewing Patterns. I'm also using a piece of dead stock fabric that I bought from a market in London a while ago, and I'm very excited to get this done. So grab yourself something nice to drink whilst we work on this project together. I don't get many opportunities like this, but when I do get them, I absolutely relish moments that I can put on my AirPods and tune everybody out and just listen to some music, a podcast, a YouTube video, even or some series on the iPad whilst sewing away. It's so bliss, and I absolutely appreciate those moments. Let me know in the comments section if you find those sorts of moments as peaceful as I do. Something else. I would love to know if I'm the only one who imagines themselves, wearing a garment that they're making whilst you're making it. For those people who make garments here, if you sew clothes for yourself, do you picture yourself wearing it? Do you picture yourself, with the different things that you would wear to style the garment? The shoes or the bottoms, the jewelry. I don't know. I feel like whilst I'm making a garment, I start to picture myself wearing it, and I think those thoughts of the after product really get me so excited about making something that most times I would sew really deep into the night, but I always have to remind myself that when I'm starting to feel tired, it's worth stopping and continuing on another day so that I don't make silly mistakes. But it's just a thought that popped into my head. I thought I should ask if anybody else feels like that. Let me know in the comments section.
Every speck of weather is impeccable when you are near, and that's the truth, my dear.
You're looking pretty fantastic. Years pass by with our goals intact. In tandem we're dancing. till the nighttime lapse. We're in the daytime stranded. Your self-esteem tastes candid. But damn, it's hard to make a man with empty hands feel hands full of love. Like, damn, this a glove, feel like the wintertime sun. Till our hands move backwards. Don't make a sound, it's fragile. Walk that we treadin' too casual. No, I've had it good since I've had you. No, I'm scared as this is sad too. But this embrace feel natural. I wanna stay till pasture. Even if it means I gotta face the music and hear the sound of being happy.
Here we are. Every speck of weather is impeccable when you are near. And that's the truth, my dear.
Let's take another moment to talk about those thoughts that go through our minds whilst we craft, whilst we make things for ourselves. I'll give you an example with this. This is supposed to be a maxi dress, but you would definitely see that I was starting to get extra ideas to the point where after attaching that panel across the upper bust area, I realized how lovely this dress would look on my body type without long sleeves and without the 2 tiers. So you can definitely see now that I am ditching the tiers that I'd already cut out, joined together and overlocked. Luckily I hadn't got to the point of gathering them, so these are going to be parked away for something else. So as it is now, I really like the way this looks. I'll wear it so you can see what I mean. There's a zipper going down the side. Yeah, the side seam has a zip. And that's for easy access. I wore the blouse the night before, went upstairs, showed it to my husband. I never get his opinion on my garments because I know what suits me and I wear what suits me. But anyway, on this occasion, I asked him what he thought, whether I should add the 2 tiers to make it a full maxi dress or whether to leave it as a blouse. And he actually really liked it as a blouse as much as I did. So I guess those thoughts were valid. Well, I guess that day I was in the mood to ask questions about my garments that I was making. But yeah, I will be back to this sewing pattern as a blouse and then as a dress to compare and see what it would look on my body types if I have the energy. So to complete the equation, I better ask you as well, what are your thoughts? Do you think it looks good as a blouse or should I go ahead and make it as a dress?